शरणं गच्छामि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं शरणं गच्छामि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं शरणं गच्छामि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं
Namaskar, Nama Buddhaya. I am Ranadhish Chaudhary. I am the officer in charge of Officer on Special Duty Administration of Mahabodhi Society of India. I heartily welcome you all in the YouTube channel of Mahabodhi Society of India. It is named as Dhammadana. Now today is the 22nd May, that is the eve of the uh, uh, auspicious uh, Buddha Jayanti. which will be celebrated tomorrow, that is 23rd May, all over world as well as in Mahabodhi Society of India. So today, 22nd, we are now going to inaugurate this new YouTube channel for you. Now the inauguration will be done with the words of blessings of Venerable P. Shivalithero, Chief Monk, and the General Secretary of Mahabodhi Society of India, when followed by the presidential speech of our President, Honorable Dr. Mahendra Singh. Now, I request you to have now hear the blessings of our General Secretary, Venerable P. Shivalithero. Namaskar.
Selva hoping an announcement. Announcement की communicate. ये लाइट के ऊपर करते हैं ना.
इसको ले जाइए उधर, है ना? आते इसको ले जाइए.
President did not. Date चला.
नहीं.
Just few minutes time.
तो अर्हतो सम्मा समुदस नमो तस् भगवतो अर्हतो सम्मा समुदस नमो तस् भगवतो अर्हतो सम्मा समुदस. On this pious occasion of the 2568th Buddha Purnima or Vaisakh day, first of all I pay my prostrate salutations to the Lord Buddha, Gautam Buddha, and his predecessors from Kasyap Buddha to Ganhankar Buddha, with the prayer to bless all of us for long, happy and healthy life. Secondly, I want to say that whether we call it Buddha Purnima or Vaisakh day, it is in the sense of teaching of the Buddhas. It has the deep and unfathomable meaning, because the enlightenment day or Buddha Purnima of Siddhartha Gautam, which became Vaisakh day, gave to the world the most effective and great medicine to eradicate the sufferings. Since time immemorial, we are undergoing in the form of repeated birth and deaths in the various states of the 10,000 world cycles, 31st plane of existence. So, Vaisakh day, as the Buddha said himself, the Mahabhesajya Guru, he is a doctor of the mind. Till date, there is no medicine in the world could be manufactured by any allopathy, whether homeopathy, allopathy, Ayurveda, Unani medicines, dispensation, which can extirpate the deep-rooted three akusal mools, lobh, dvesh, moh, from the psyche of the human beings. But the teachings of the Buddha in the form of the Four Noble Truths, Anitya, Dukkha, Anatam and Utpad, is so effective to eradicate this suffering which is set in the minds and consciousness of the humanity since time immemorial. Secondly, Lord Buddha gave new dimensions on the front of the democratic values of the life, just like egalitarianism, socialism, liberty, equality, fraternity, and justice. He brought at par all the persons in his Dhamma, may it be king or the poor. Had there been no Buddha, who could emancipate the serial killer Angulimal, Ambapali, the courtesan, Sunit the scavenger, and the Alvak the devil? So, the teachings of the Buddha is the great foundation of the democratic setup in the world, which the whole world is following these days. On the other side, I want to make a great declaration on this juncture that the Mahabodhi is going to launch a new channel of its own as Dhammadan, which will be used for the delivery and of the Dhamm talk and messages, which will be uploaded on the YouTube for the use and for the benefit of the common all over the world. And it is a great, have great pleasure to announce that in the aegis and protection of our chief monk, the Venerable Peaceably Thero, and under his ablest leadership, a new channel will work day and night for the propagation of the Buddhism all over the world through the YouTube, Dhammadan. So, at this juncture, I also congratulate all the office bearer and all the members and the followers of the Buddhism all over the world diaspora and others people, common masses to celebrate the Vaisak day or Buddha Purnima with full enthusiasm and gaiety. With these words, I again congratulate you and I say all the salutations, namaskar and namo buddhaya to all.
Namo Buddhaya. Very happy with the Purnima to each and everybody joining with us from the various parts on this very special moment, launching the Dhammadana, a new YouTube channel for the Mahabodhi Society of India, which is basically to promote and spread the teachings of the Buddha as a very easiest accessible to promote and propagate the teaching of the Buddha through the social media. So that is why on this eve of Buddha Purnima, yes, we are going to celebrate tomorrow Vesak Day celebration throughout Mahabodhi Society of India's different centers located at various holy places in India. So throughout different states. So we want to express our deepest gratitude to all the monks and the devotees wherever you are joining with us on this moment. From today on, then this our YouTube channel will propagate from time to time various activities related to the teaching of Buddha, like Dhamma Deshanas and the Dhamma discussions, seminar, and meditation, Dhamma discourse, various activities we are going to promote through these video channels. So we are very happy to let you know that this new channel come to you. You can also join with us and send your Dhamma activities such as Dhamma talks and Dhamma discussion or other programs related to propagation of the teachings of the Buddha. So we can, our monks and our staff of YouTube channel, they can take care of this channel and also the activities and editing and other thing for the propagation of the Dhamma. So once again, I welcome you all and also thank you for joining with us for various parts on this opening of the YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Sabbe Satta Bhavantu Sukhita. May you all beings be blessed.
බුද්ධානං උප්පාදෝ සුඛා සද්ධම්ම දේශනා සුඛා සංඝස්ස සමග්ගේ සමග්ගානං තපෝ සුඛෝ। तिलोगुरु सम्यक संबुद्ध इसी दुनिया में आना ही सुख है और उनका उपदेश इसी दुनिया को सुख ला सकता है। सम्यक संबुद्ध की अनुयायियों का एकता भी इसी दुनिया को उपदेश इसी दुनिया में कोने कोने तक लोगों तक पहुंचाने के लिए ध्यान साधना आयोजन करने में भी इसी दुनिया को सुख पहुंचा सकता है। परम पूज्य महासंघ प्रिय उपासक उपासिकाएं, इस साल हम लोग 2568 बुद्ध पूर्णिमा मना रहा है। इस पावन अवसर पर सबको सम्यक संबुद्ध की उपदेश बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। तत्काल दुनिया के लिए सम्यक संबुद्ध की उपदेश बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है। 2500 वर्ष पहले सम्यक संबुद्ध आने के पहले इसी दुनिया में अज्ञानता अशांति का अंधकार में डूबे थे। सम्यक संबुद्ध इसी दुनिया में आकर उसी अंधकारों को दूर करके सभी लोगों को ज्ञान की प्रकाश डाल दिया और दुख से मुक्त होने के लिए मार्गदर्शन कर लिया। इसीलिए इसी बुद्ध पूर्णिमा के दिन पर आप सब भी सम्यक संबुद्ध की उपदेश के अनुसार दुख से मुक्त होने के लिए प्रयास कर सकता है। सम्यक संबुद्ध की उपदेश के अनुसार सभी दुखों के लिए मूल कारण है अज्ञानता। अज्ञानता के कारण सच्चाई सबसे वंचित है। इसलिए ज्ञान प्राप्ति के बिना सच्चाई का मार्ग हम लोगों को मिलते नहीं हैं। इसलिए सभी लोग अज्ञानता के कारण गुलाम बनते जा रहा है। दूसरों का अत्याचारों में शिकारी बन जाता है। इसलिए ज्ञान प्राप्त करते ही अपने आप को सोचने का समझ आ जाता है। इसलिए उनको उस दुखों से मुक्त होने का मार्ग अपने आप को प्रकट हो जाता है। इसलिए सभी लोग शिक्षा के पद पे चलना है। सम्यक संबुद्ध कभी पक्षपात नहीं किया, सभी लोगों को बराबर शिक्षा लेने का अधिकार प्राप्त करने वाला सम्यक संबुद्ध है। उसी शिक्षा के द्वारा सभी लोगों को बराबर उसी शिक्षा का फल मिल सकता है और दुख से मुक्त हो सकता है। इसीलिए उसी शिक्षा के कारण हमारे भीतर जितना भी अशांति है वो सब अशांत दूर हो करके शांति पद पे चलकर इसी दुनिया को शांति ला सकता है। इसलिए आप सभी लोगों को इसी बुद्ध पूर्णिमा का अवसर पर आशीर्वाद करते हैं। सभी लोगों को सम्यक संबुद्ध के पद पे जाकर खुद के लिए और परिवार दुनिया के लिए शांति हो प्रार्थना करते हुए सभी लोगों को कल्याण हो, मंगल हो प्रार्थना करते हैं।